Hello students, today I am going to start my third math classes, means part 3 math classes for the students of class 9, means 9 grade students, and this is the first video of class 9, and today I will do construction from the chapter 11 of NCERT book, and I wish that all the students will follow my class nicely. And this today exercise 11.1, construct an angle of 90 degree at the initial point of a given ray and justify the construction. This is the question. Construct an angle of 90 degree at the initial point of a given ray and justify the construction. Taking a ray AB, from A as a center with any radius, drawn an arc. This arc cut at AB at C. From C with the same radius, means C is as a center with the same radius, I have drawn another arc. This arc cut the previous arc at D. Now D as a center with the same radius, I have drawn another arc. This arc intersects the first arc at E. Now E as a center with same radius, I have drawn another arc. This arc intersects the previous arc F. Now join AF. Now angle FAB equal to 90 degree equal to right angle. Now justify. Then CD AD AE ED EF DF. In triangle ACD, AC equal to CD equal to DA. Therefore, triangle ACD is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, angle DAC equal to 180 divided by 3 equal to 60 degree. That means this one is 60 degree. In triangle EAD, EA equal to AD equal to DE. Therefore, triangle EAD is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, angle EAD equal to 180 by 3 equal to 60 degree. That means this total is also 60 degree. In triangle AEF and ADF, AE equal to DE, AD. EF equal to DF. AF equal to AF, common. Therefore, triangle EAD, triangle EAF or AEF and ADF ADF are congruent by SAS property. Now, angle EAF equal to DAF, CT. Therefore, angle EAF equal to angle DAF equal to 60 degree by 2 equal to 30 degree. That means this is 30 degree, that is also 30 degree. So therefore, angle FAC or B, FAB equal to angle FAD plus angle DAB FAD 30 degree plus DAB 60 degree equal to 90 degree. Justified.